So if you want to know how reliable this disk drive is on this PlayStation, well, I'll let you know this. After 1 year of use, I've had to replace my PlayStation 5 disk drive because it failed on me. Now it works right now. So the symptoms I had was that the disk drive still took the disk in and spun, but it can no longer read the disk for whatever reason. So I had to go to the manufacturer to get that replaced through a warranty, which you have 1 year from the day you purchased the console to do that. So if you elapse 1 year, you'll no longer be able to ship your console to get a disk drive replacement or something like that. So some symptoms you should think about are the sound of the disk drive. It will be noisy, which is kind of common, but if you hear chugging noises or anything like that, that's something to be concerned about. If it says disk not read, that's something to be concerned about. So right now I have a disk right now on the PlayStation 5, and I'll put it in. This disk drive does work because it's been replaced. This is the original console with a new drive. And let's hear this drive. So this disk drive works now, but it is a little slower than what it was before it got replaced. So you can hear this is perfectly normal, the noise level. But let's see if we play the game. This is Final Fantasy 16 that I put in. Let's see if it reads the game and see if there's any problems with this. Okay, no issues right now. The game is reading and the game plays. Be aware that if you want to get a base PS5 with disc, there might be potential disk drive issues with your console. If you get one of these, the PS5 Slim is coming out, which will eventually replace these base models. These are still a great buy as long as you're able to detect any issues and send it off to the manufacturer to get warranty if anything were to happen.